Welcome to a new series of videos, hopefully, here in the Prisoner's Walk in Castle Cornet, where we've just started in the last couple of days. First of all, shifting about 2.5 tons of path from up here all the way down to the castle entrance, and now we're finally getting into some archaeology. And what we're really hoping for here is the 14th century drawbridge and pit, if it's here, as we hope it is. At the moment, what we've got is a lot of 19th and 20th century patching. Presumably every time a hole developed in the path, someone just came along and filled it up with whatever rubbish they had to hand. So we'll be starting to remove some of this in the next couple of days. As we walk further up the Prisoner's Walk, we start getting lumps of bedrock coming out, so clearly we're not going to be going any further down there, but we'll see what happens. It's very much just the start now, but hopefully there'll be some more exciting stuff to come up in the next few days, so keep watching.